All right, another quick video on how to fix this broken clip on the door handle. So what you can do is replace this whole piece, which is pretty hard to do, or what you can do is get a washer, use a pair of snips, and cut a slit into the washer. So your washer has to be big enough to not fall through on the door panel side, and the hole needs to be small enough to where it holds whatever's left of that plastic. So cut a little slit in there, slide it over, and then attach your handle in there, and then that'll stay on the other side, and then you can glue this, hot melt glue it to the door panel. So I couldn't find my hot melt glue gun, but put some double stick tape on there, and that's what it looks like. The washer is right there. I guess I can peel this back for you guys. So there's the washer, and the tape's just gonna hold it kind of in place so it doesn't fall back off or slide back out.